the girls with their nails done now.
A group of bikers set out for a ride, but one rider's day took a dangerous turn as he overtakes a car. His brakes overheated, leaving him unable to slow down properly. With the tires locking up, he lost control, leading to a terrifying moment. This is why it's crucial to always check your brakes before hitting the road. In this clip, a driver experiences a heart-stopping moment, a crash so intense it could have ended in tragedy. But against all odds, the driver walks away unharmed. A lucky escape that serves as a reminder of how quickly things can go wrong.
See, you don't put attention? Huh? No. I have my video.
The way you were driving! Sir, I saw you before you even hit him. Sir, you almost hit me too. Sir, you were driving like 100 miles per hour. Did you see when I saw you? I saw you. All right, did you see when I came to the freeway? Even before you hit him. Sir, did he all right. He just went over. Sir.
Yeah, I saw. I have a video.
Okay.
You have your information? I can get your number?
Let me call the cops, man.
Yeah, call.
Look, I see when you were going inside the freeway.
Hey, I was in my lane.
No, okay. That's what I'm saying.
He's
driving recklessly, regardless. These cars have my number.
So I bought this little roller thingy for my back. Yeah, so this bag idea completely failed. Should I just let it go? Would it be bad if I did? Ah! Ah! No! No!
A biker lost his load on the road. And when a passing driver ran over it, she immediately felt guilty. Wanting to do the right thing, she pulled over and waited for the biker to check if any damage had been done. But as she waited, something unexpected happened.
Just took a chunk off of it. Holy Holy God damn. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. No, that's fine. Don't worry about it. It was a piece of rubber. Are you good? Yeah. Alright. No, it's fine. She's on her phone. Turn off your car. Are you okay? Hello, there's a girl who just ran into the back of another girl.
Are there any injuries?
No, the lady who ran into the back of the other lady said she's pregnant, but I don't believe she is or not. But she's crying, so if you could send someone, I'm not sure.
Can I get your name?
Nima, N-I-M-A.
And were you involved in the accident?
No, ma'am, I was just on the other side of the street.
Okay. But again, there's no injury?
Yeah, the girl's shaking up. She's got a cut on her. The girl's shaking up. She's got a cut on her leg, and she says she's pregnant. So you should send an ambulance.
Cut on her leg.
Yeah, that's another bystander.
Ex-firefighter stopped by to check.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll get an ambulance en route.
Okay, thank you.
She said she was watching you.
Yeah, see what happened was you see a little foam thingy, it fell out of my backpack, and she ran it over, so she stopped and turned on her hazards. And I believe she was like texting and driving or something, and wasn't paying attention.
She said she was looking at you and didn't see her car stop.
Yeah, and then just ran into the back of the other one.
Nima, right?
Yeah. I'm sorry.
The bike rider was fined $360 for failing to secure his load properly.
What's happening? It's your boy TVB coming back at y'all with another video.
A reckless driver cuts dangerously close to a biker, nearly causing an accident. The rider, furious at the careless move, reacts by smashing the car's side mirror.
What the f?
But the situation didn't end there. What happened next was even more unexpected.
You wasn't even passing. What the f? No. What the f was that about?
Nothing. You didn't make room. You're like not.
Someone's merging onto the street. How are you just gonna f over? Get that fixed.
In New Carrollton, Maryland, a biker approached an intersection, but he was too distracted by the cars around him.
Jesus, those two cars were like over there. How the f did you guys get over here?
While he was confused, he accidentally ran into someone's bumper.
Oh shit. Shit. Oh man. Damn. Oh my god.
Are you okay?
I'm okay. I'm okay.
Yeah, we're good. We're good.
Oh my god. I can't believe I just did that.
But instead of yelling or getting angry, the driver he crashed into did a good job. She simply asked if he was okay. A group of bikers was out on a ride when a Lamborghini appeared on the road.
Holy shit!
One biker decided to pass the flashy car, but that's when things took a heated turn.
You good?
Dude, that's a Lamborghini.
That's his fault. I have it on video.
You have it on video?
Yes.
Yes! It's on video!
In this clip, a car driver suddenly switches lanes, cutting off a biker. Not pleased with the reckless move, the biker responds by smashing the car's side mirror. This biker tried to do a good deed, but ended up getting pulled over.
Oh, shit! Big hole! It's like that deep! That's what I get for trying to be nice and at the same time.
He continued on his journey until a cop stopped him, only knowing half the story.
Good evening. I tried to do a good thing by closing her gas cap. I didn't see that hole in the ground.
Okay, yeah, because I saw you stuck over there.
I actually just went down. I closed the lady's gas cap, and I went to just go around her, just say, hey, you're welcome, and then bam. Any reason you're pulling me over?
Yeah, because you're driving over on the grass.
Oh. Okay. I'll get my,
All right, man, just give you a warning. Just be careful, all right?
no problem.
All right.
I appreciate that.
Have a safe night.
A rider captures his journey using a 360-degree camera. The biker had enough time to react but chose the wrong evasive action. Instead of steering toward the car, he should have turned left.